One of the things I'm super excited about in AI is actually that users are already used to the fact that they have AI in the consumer space.
That's right.
So Apple Siri, right? I can already ask Apple, what's the weather tomorrow where I live and things like that.
We don't realize how pervasive this is already around us. And that's why in the enterprise, that's our big challenge next, is to make sure that comes across. Why now then? Why
is it now?
Why in my time didn't work and
That's
now
right.
it works?
I think there are actually three reasons of why AI works. The first one is that now, compared to even 10, 15, 20 years ago, we have enough data. We have the capability now to very quickly label data, and we have the ability to use business processes to actually collect data as part of the workflow. Number two, are the algorithms. A lot of small algorithmic advances actually allowed us to push the accuracies often from the low 70s, where it's not quite useful for business, to the mid 90s, where business is going to really use it. And now that you have all this data and you have these very powerful algorithms, you also need to compute. And there we have the third breakthrough, largely actually thanks to GPUs, graphics cards. And together, the three created a perfect storm for AI.
One of my recommendations to clients is that there is a lot that we can do already. Right? So the earlier that you start on the journey, the more sophisticated your capabilities become. Falling behind quickly in AI, it's exponential. It's not linear, right? So 1 month, it's not 1 month. It's petabytes of data that you use to train your algorithm and make it more sophisticated. Right. Get started on the journey, work with your data, because it will take some time, right, to get that right.
The reason I'm actually excited to be at Salesforce is that we have the data, and we have the metadata associated with it. That's the core of the CRM. We understand the workflows that people go through, and we can record them and help them infuse AI features in the right places. We have 150,000 different customers, and if we empower all of them to also use AI, it will change the entire economy.